Hey guys, welcome back to the Workbench. We're going to do another quick and dirty Workbench video today. Here we have these stained glass LED light bulbs. You may have seen them in some of my previous testing and demonstration videos. However, the biggest flaw in the previous test is that they are not dimmable. So what we have today is one that advertises to be dimmable. There's the box right there. This is from Greeogin on Amazon. It's supposed to be 6 watts. We're not going to worry about wattage and power factor and all that much because these are mainly meant to be decorative. So what we're mainly going to worry about is, are they dimmable? We got the test rig here, which is serving as our dimmer. First of all, let's just power them on. So wattage let's see, this one is 6 watts. What wattage is that one? Does it say? I have some other boxes over here. That's also 6 watts. They're all allegedly 6 watts. Is the big one 6 watts too? Does not say. The big one does not specify the wattage. The reason I'm asking is because this does not look as bright as the others. The others look brighter, which personally I'm okay with because I want to see the colors. I don't want to see light. This is not designed to be a practical, useful light. Definitely seems to have a lower... Say anything about lumens? No. So I'm okay with that because I don't want them bright anyway. So let's try and dim them and see what happens. That one is definitely dimming. Those two are dimming a little. That's going to blinking town. Okay. That one's definitely not dimmable at all. These two, excuse me, are kind of performing like they're dimmable, and that one definitely is. So let's just remove this one from the equation. These aren't spec'd as dimmable, are they? No, but it's interesting that they have the exact same packaging, exact same label. The round one and this one. I can show you. I can put them here. That's what those two came in. And yet, not only are they different shapes, which I think is specified on this label, but the box is the same. One of them says E27, one of them says E26. That's about the only difference I can see. But this is blinky, and this is kind of dimmable. This is much more linear in its dimmability. Let's try something else. Let's get rid of this one. Ah! I see. So these only play well with the dimmer when you also have that in the circuit. So then let's get rid of these. How does this play by itself? Fine. Like I said, the only downside of this one is despite... Okay, let's just compare on the kilowatt. We're drawing 0.12 amps. 0.03. This one is drawing more current. Now let's see if we take the dimmer out of the equation. Is that still the same? So even though they're both rated at 6 watts, this one's drawing more current. So, and like I said, with this one, what I mainly see is the filaments, and the light is kind of secondary, or the colored panes are kind of rather secondary. This one, I see the panes first. So this is overall a better design, and even though it's dimmer, I think this is much more useful, because again, you're not going to use this as practical light. You're going to use it as a decoration, and you want to be able to see the colors. Let's just take a look here. Alexa, garage off. Alexa, workbench off. Alexa, garage off. Let's just see. So here you kind of see a bunch of colors on the wall. It's kind of a pleasant, warmish white color. See a few colors there on the thing. I'm going to move this one over here so it can be closer to the wall. Yeah, that is definitely brighter. Yeah, I can see more definitive colors on the wall. You can definitely see that there's orange and red, or yellow and red. With this one, you don't see definitive colors. You just kind of see shades. So yeah, I would definitely go with this one. If they had, I want to see if they have different options of that. If they have different options of that, I'm going to try some other ones. So if that's the case, then be prepared for a follow-up video. Because yeah, like I said, the problem with these, that must be the E27. The problem with these is if they're so bright that you can't see the colors and you can't dim them, then what do you use them for? At that point, they're kind of a useless novelty. That one, you can definitely see the colors. It's brighter, but also a lot larger with bigger panes. That one's very clear. But again, doesn't dim on its own. Whereas this one, it's almost like if you just put a resistor in there. Yeah, I'm going to get some more of these if they have different wattage and shape and size variations. And let you know how that goes. So I'll put links to the products, if I can find them, in the description. So thanks for watching. Bye, Fanstick.